Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing like a wide-eyed, open-eyed kind of look. This is great for if you want to make your eyes appear bigger than they actually are. So if you want to see how to do that, keep watching. Today I've already done my base because I feel like you guys have seen me do that enough times. I'm just going to get started on the eyes. I've already applied the Urban Decay Primer Potion and I'm going to start with this palette. It's called Meet Matte Adore. I'm going to use this shade right here called Matte Johnson. I'm going to take like a really fluffy brush that onto the whole lid. It'll help highlight kind of the brow bone a little bit. So I'm going to use this angled brush. It's a little bit thicker. And I'm going to take my Viseart, just the mattes palette. Look at this, it's like so beat up, but I love this. This is like my very first Viseart palette. So I'm going to use this brown shade. So I'm just going to dip that in. And I'm essentially going to just first take off the excess on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to tightline. So I'm going to kind of lift my eyelid and then bring this color very close to the lash line. And this angled brush, if you just work on the very corner, it kind of helps put that in place. And you can make it really, really precise. So I like it nice and thin in my inner corner. So I may even thicken it a little, but not too much. Just maybe make it a little bit, of that round eye rather than that cat eye. So I got into doing this look a lot when I was younger because growing up, I always thought my eyes were too small. Like the Indian culture tells you that big eyes are beautiful. And so I grew up with this, idea that my eyes weren't beautiful because they weren't big. But even though, I'm okay with my little almond-shaped eyes, but I still like doing this look. So now I'm just going to go in with this little smudger brush. Smudge brush by Real Techniques. And I'm just going to kind of soften those edges. Just kind of diffuse it a little bit. I don't want to take away from the drama which is happening right at the lash line. So I'm going to make my lash line appear bigger or thicker just to give the illusion of like big eyelashes and kind of draw attention to kind of the eyes. I will bring it right to the middle. Like the most product that I'm going to put on is right in the middle on both sides. Dip in a little bit, tap off the excess, and then right in the middle. And then I'm going to take that smudger brush, kind of diffuse it into the inner corner and the outer corner. And same thing on the other side. Then I'm going to actually bring a little bit of definition into the socket line. I have a little bit of hooded eyes, so I'm going to bring it right above my socket line. I'm using, this is the H&M Crease Blending Brush, and I'm still using my Viseart Mattes palette, and I'm using this shade right here. Same thing on the other side. This is just bringing definition and breaking up, you know, the different parts of your eye. I'm just going to blend this a little bit more. Okay. Now I'm just going to do my eyebrows. You've also seen me do this a bunch of times as well. So now on to mascara. First, I will not forget to curl my lashes. Then I'm going to actually layer my mascara today. I'm going to be using this. This is the Annabelle Skinny Mascara. This thing has like a really fine tiny little brush. I'm going to start with this, and then I'm going to apply the Smashbox Full Exposure. So anyway, I'm going to take this like really close to the lash line. I'm going to just brush it and then kind of make like that lash line even fuller, like where I've kind of tight lined with that powder. I'm just going to keep this very close to the lash line on both sides and kind of, you know, wiggle it in place. Just to kind of separate them and coat them with a little bit of mascara. And this is kind of, you're kind of priming your lashes for the rest of the product. Now onto the Full Exposure. This is a really big wand, but this is more, I use it to like layer the outer lashes. The curling that I've done with the eyelash curler, this kind of just defines that. Oh, and I will actually bring this, the Skinny Annabelle Mascara, to the bottom lashes. Now, oh, I did not set my eyebrows with brow gel yet, so I'll go ahead and do that because I can't afford to forget. My eyebrows grow downwards, so I have to kind of brush them into place. So then, just to kind of finish off, I'm going to use this bronzer. This bronzer is called Bronze Mist Powder Bronzer. But I'm using my big fluffy brush just to kind of bring it all over. So the lips I'm going to keep a little bit simple. I'm just going to use this Marc Jacobs lip gloss in the color Sugar. This is the color, 312. I think I'm just going to see how it works. It's quite light. Maybe I will also bring in this Cinema Secrets and kind of bring some citrus into the lips. I'm going to take this Becca Ocean Jewels highlighter. I'm going to take this gold shade right here with this little flat brush. You can take off the excess, and then I'm just going to bring that underneath the brow bone and maybe a little bit in the inner corner. Because we are keeping the drama in the eyes. So yeah, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. Comment in the section below, please. Let me know what you guys think. Give it a thumbs up, and I will see you here next month. So yeah, this is it.